Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
And she doesn't care for me, 'cause I'm just a teenage baby.
Let's start. First, open any editing application. I use CapCut. Go to New Project and add your one video and for photos. Now select Format 9:16 and adjust photos to full screen. Now delete the end part. Add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set photo and video to this time duration. Now add text. Choose font and style according to you and place the text. Now apply text layer till the first photo. Now check your video. Now select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.